Hey first graders, I am Miss Campbell and I'm going to be doing your math videos for this year. I am so excited to get to teach all of you and do really fun stuff in math. I think it's my favorite subject. So some of the stuff that you picked up from school is what we're going to be using this year in math. The first thing that we're going to be using is this packet, and it says at the top here, making 10, and down at the very bottom it says lesson 0. This is our review packet, and the first thing that we're going to do for lessons for the first full week of school next week, where we're adding more curriculum. So you're going to need this packet on you, and we're going to be going through it, and this will be our first lessons. After that, you're going to be getting to use the giant book that you got that looks like this. Make sure that your book at the top says volume 1. If it doesn't, we accidentally gave you the wrong book, and you need to let your teacher know. When we start using this book, you'll notice at the top that there's blue pages at the top, and there are also green pages at the top. The blue pages are the ones that I'll show you during our lesson and do with you. And then the green pages are the ones that you're going to do on your own during your work time and submit as your assignment to your teacher for us to look at. So the blue pages, I will always do them with you and go through them and make sure that we understand it. And then the green pages we submit for our work. The other thing that you should have gotten when you picked up from school is a bag of manipulatives. These have counters like Unifix cubes and other things, and as well as dice. The dice will be used for math and reading assignments. And as we go, we're going to add different kinds of manipulatives to have in math in your bag. The manipulatives that you get here do need to be returned to us at school, just like a Chromebook would need to be returned. So make sure you keep those in the bag that you got and any additional ones in there as well. Another thing you may have now or will be getting in October, depending on which class you're in, is a math tools folder. You may have these printed or laminated, but it might look different. But you'll have some sort of tools. The more important one that we're going to really work with is this 120s chart. And on the inside, there is a 10 frame. What's great about these is that they're laminated. So if you don't want to use the Unifix cubes or other manipulatives that you have, you can use an Expo marker because they'll erase. So these are yours to use and have so many resources and tools on it. It's a lot of fun. The other thing that you have with you is an assignment that we're going to be working on tomorrow. And the front of it looks like this. We're going to be talking about shapes and how to put them together to form new ones or making them into something. And our job is going to be to color the shapes that we're using. And there's 2 pages worth. And we're going to cut them out and work on those really great scissor skills. And we'll talk about those in our video tomorrow. And on this page here, it shows you, upside down. It shows you a shape robot counter. So when we make it, you're only going to need one of these strips to use for your shape robot. All right. Well, I look forward to doing a lesson with you guys tomorrow. And I am so excited to work with you in math. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.